Hey guys, welcome back to JDMods. We're continuing working on Ali's MR2. We are currently rebuilding the engine and have pretty much torn the engine down to the bare long block and all the accessories. So one of the next steps is to degrease all the components because this was a oil leaking old 3S GTE. We have various degreasers to try out, and we wanted to make a video comparing all of the degreasers we are going to be using and seeing if any of them are superior than the others. So in this video we're going to be comparing these three cleaners we had laying around and seeing how they stack up against Ali's oil covered 3S GTE block. It's not a perfect test, but hopefully it gives us an idea of which one's the strongest, works the fastest, and these are all apparently biodegradable and slightly more environmentally friendly than just very harsh chemicals, which is always nice. So we are going to be comparing Simple Green, Super Clean, and Multi Clean. Very creative names, but hopefully they get the job done. Basically, I'm going to divide this engine block up into an imaginary 3 sections and spray each chemical. We'll do as you see here in each section. You're not really supposed to mix chemicals, so I'll try my best not to mix them because you don't know what you're ever going to create. And then we'll let it sit for maybe 5 minutes, and then using equal pressure in each area, wipe it off and compare. So I guess we'll start with a before shot of the engine. So here's the before, what we're dealing with. Most oils at the bottom, whether that's from leaking oil feed or this is where the oil filter goes. Most of the oils at the bottom, I'd say it's fairly uniform, with the middle section being the toughest. So we'll take that into consideration as well. So now you've seen what it looks like before, let's spray on the degreasers. So our degreasers have been sitting for about 5 minutes now. I'm going to take this toothbrush and try and work it in a little bit before rinsing it off. I just scrubbed it with the toothbrush to kind of loosen up all the dirt that the degreaser was supposed to work away at. And now I have this little pump water bottle that I've filled up with just cold water. And we're going to try and rinse off the grease and dirt and mud into a little bucket on the floor. And then see if we can tell which one's the best. Here we go. Okay, I just finished rinsing off the degreaser and all the mud. There's definitely a lot of grease in my catch pan down below. But starting from the back, we have the Simple Green area. I would say if you look at the before shot, this was the least greasy area on the motor for whatever reason. If I run my finger along it, I haven't dried the water off yet, but if I run my finger along it, I don't know if you can see. You can see with the water there's still quite a bit of brown contamination, being mostly dirt and grease, which we were trying to remove. So far I am putting that one in last place, and I will admit it's a close first between the Multi Clean Plus and the Super Clean, which I was expecting, as they are marketed as degreasers, whereas this one, the one we have anyway, is just a all-purpose cleaner marketed for automotive use. Now for the Super Clean, was in the middle section of the engine. If I run my finger along it, you might not be able to tell on camera, but there's definitely less dirt than the Super Clean section. Or sorry, the Simple Green section, the names are so close. But the front of the motor was, in my opinion, one of the dirtiest, greasiest, thickest buildup of grease on the entire motor. I know it's not very accurate because I might have done the most scrubbing in the front. I tried to do it evenly. But the front, if I rub it along a section that used to be really, really greasy, my finger comes out quite clean. My finger comes out quite clean with just a little bit of grease. So I'm actually going to rank them exactly as you see here, with Multi Clean Plus being first, Super Clean being second, and Simple Green coming in third. The prices are very comparable for all three of these. $7 a bottle, $12 a bottle, and $7 a bottle again. I'm sure people in the comments will argue on which one they think is the most powerful. This was not a very scientific test. I was really expecting Super Clean to be the most powerful, and maybe it is. But hopefully you guys learned something with me in today's video. I made a mess, but my engine block is a lot cleaner than when we started. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys like this comparison video. If you want to see more little videos like this, let us know. And of course, if you want to see more updates on Ali's MR2 and all the other cars on this channel, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.